Welcome back, traders, to another installment on how to trade gold. And obviously for the last couple of videos, we've been on the journey of growing a small account. We started the account last week with a balance of £50, right? Whole of last week we did a fair bit. Then obviously we suffered a loss on the Friday, which obviously brought the account down, not down negative, but it brought it down a fair bit. Now we're back in profit again, as you can see, and this is based off an entry I took off this morning upon the conditions that I normally talk to you guys about, which is the weekly highs and the weekly low. So we can see the weekly high. This was last week's weekly high, okay, this area right here, and it was taken out in the early hours of this morning. So what I did was I jumped in. I was in drawdown for a couple of hours, but now I'm back in profit. Now, because I took a loss on the Friday, right, it only makes sense that I protect the profits that I have made so far. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag my trading stop over to a level that I think is suitable, because obviously I want to make a little bit of profit. So this area where I'm about to drop my trading stop, it's not really an ideal location. Reason why, there's a FVG in this area, which makes this level highly likely that it's going to get tapped into. If it does get tapped into, it doesn't matter. In my opinion, as far as I'm concerned, I've been able to recoup the loss on Friday, and we'll continue with the mission of building up this account until we get it to a sizable size. And obviously I want all you guys to be witness to that, right? So like I say over and over again in my in the videos that I normally do, okay, the concept that I am showing you guys actually does work. You do need to throw a little bit of additional technicals on top, so knowing market structure, but it is important that you know it, so at least when you see it you can recognize it, right? So in all of the previous series videos, just go through them and watch them all, so that at least you're able to kind of understand how we're able to navigate the market. And this is not the only way to navigate the market. There are all kinds of ways of getting around the market and making sure that you are profitable. But however, through my experience, I find this to be one of the best ways of trading the markets. All right, so as it stands right now, we are in profit. We can't lose at all. We've got profits locked in. I don't have a TP set up for this one, right? Just because I think market is going to go up a lot higher. I may be right, I could be wrong, only time will tell. But as it stands, we're profitable. So let's just see what market gives us, and make sure you watch all the previous videos that I've laid out, especially the ones that have live next to it. So if you see those, this is when we're literally on the MT5 talking about the moves that we made, why we made them, so that you can at least cross-reference that with the overall educational videos that I'll be releasing on how to trade gold. And obviously you can also look at the ones on how to trade NAS as well. They're all pretty useful stuff, and I believe it will help you. So yeah, so with all of that said and done, right, if you found this video useful, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification, and drop us a like, and I will see you all on the next one.